Hey guys, it's Sally Meme4 and thought I'd do a video on a haul that I have. I just got 3 items, but here's my dog Temperance. She got up underneath the blanket and snuggled herself up in here. So yeah, got my USA bracelet on. So happy 4th of July. So yeah, these are the items that I got, but I'll show you guys one at a time. So the first thing I got was these, which were at Target, and they're just measuring spoons. Yeah, set of 6. So they were $1. They're dishwasher safe, everything like that. So I just got these, and it has, let's see, 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon, no, that's a tablespoon, teaspoon. Oh, my bad. And teaspoons, whatever. So you have 1/8, 1/4, 1/2, 1, 1/2, and 1. So that's the first thing I got. So that's just to measure out the birds' food and the hamsters. Next thing I got was Supreme Fruit Blend for medium birds. This is a 39 kilogram bag, and it just has these. That's what it looks like. This is just as a treat, so that's just a treat. It won't be anything else but a treat. Next thing I got was True Fruit Snack Attack by Higgins, and it's an exotic fruit mix, and it's conures, parrots, and macaws, and it's a 12-ounce bag, and it has a cockatiel in it and everything. So the ingredients are, get it, that right there: dried papaya, dried pineapple, raisins, banana chips, coconut chips, dried dates, dried apricots, dried apple pieces, and strawberries. So yeah, that's the first thing I got. Or yeah, I got this at Pet Supermarket, Target, and PetSmart. So yeah, these are all the things I got. So thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and bye.